Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Gerel. Today we're going to be doing, as you already know, a haul. And as you can see, my background is different just because I am more in a chilling vibe, and I just wanted to relax and open up my boxes that I've been collecting for the past 2 months and share it with you guys. And yeah, let's go ahead and hang out and talk about makeup and open up some boxes because I really need to put all of these things away and start using it right away and get creative. I've been doing a lot of looks, more than usual, on my Instagram, so if you're not following me, it is Gerel_Mata. I actually just filmed this look and it is definitely going to be on my Instagram, so just in case you are interested in seeing this look, it will be there. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the video because it's definitely going to be a long one. But before we do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. You can also click on the little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is every single week. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with the package that I got today, which is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I am wearing the new Brows Freeze, and this is the packaging, as you've probably already seen it in Instagram, but just in case, it is like a wax, but you don't have to spray it with anything, and I am absolutely in love with it. The way that I actually apply it on my brows, it just went on so easy. It doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel like you are wearing a hairspray on your brows or anything like that. It doesn't feel like anything, and it is holding and it's staying in place. Super beautiful. Of course, I just put my makeup on maybe about 2-3 hours ago, and I don't know if it's going to be holding on the whole entire day, so I do need to test it a little bit more. But so far so good with this product. As well, with the order, I got a little mascara that I'm not going to be trying because I do have other mascaras that I'm working myself through right now, so that is that. I also got the diamond gloss, but I ordered the wrong one. I actually wanted the clear one and not the diamond one, but nonetheless, it is a really nice, pretty, kind of shimmery, and it does have like pinky, golden, silver kind of flecks, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be beautiful on the lips, so we will be trying that very soon for sure. So of course, if you know anything about me, I love highlighters so much as eyeshadow palettes. Well, I do love eyeshadow palettes a little bit more for sure. But I did have to get the new highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is so beautiful. The packaging, as you can see, is white. It's the same packaging as the Amazing one, except that is white. And here is the highlighter. Super beautiful, stunning, really beautiful. I mean, just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So I can't wait to actually try this and see how beaming it is. Of course, not a lot of people are into beaming highlighters, but I still am. I love those for sure. I don't think that I could ever get bored of a really nice, beautiful beaming highlighter. Alright, so the next things that I'm going to show you are from Sephora. So I did order a couple of stuff from Lawless, so let's go ahead and start with that. I have on my lips the lip gloss, and this one is brand new. I think it's sold out right now on the Lawless website as well as at Sephora, but if you can get your hands on this one, definitely suggest it, unless you don't like the minty kind of feel on your lips. But if you don't mind the minty kind of feel to your lips, then you're definitely going to like this one. This one is called the Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. I know, super long, but the packaging super beautiful, really nice and glossy. It just went on super nice. It does not feel sticky at all. It does, once again, have the minty kind of feel, but it does not feel like overpowering. It doesn't feel uncomfortable at all, so really enjoying this one for sure. What I do have under the lip gloss is the Lawless Lipstick, and this one is in the shade Fawn. So this is the color right here. Let me just swatch it for you. This one is the shade. So it's a really nice kind of pinky shade, a little too light for my liking, to tell you the truth, but it is definitely going to be the one that I'm going to be wearing right in the center to like brighten up my lips if I am using like a darker lip liner. The last product from Lawless that I got is this blush, and this one is in the shade Indian Summer. Super nice pinky mauvey tone. The one that I originally wanted, I don't remember the name of it. It was not on stock. It's actually sold out. But this one was the second that I wanted. It's just super, super nice. And that is what I'm wearing on my cheeks today. Super beautiful. It blended really nice. I didn't want to do too much blush just because the eyes are doing their own statement. But yeah, blush really, really nice. So all right, so the next item that I have from Sephora is this eyeshadow palette, which is the Pat McGrath. I am so excited to have this palette. So I do have a couple of palettes from Pat McGrath, but this one, of course, I do not. This one is the first one, if I am not mistaken. Yeah. So this one is the Pat McGrath Lab Mothership 1 Subliminal Eye Palette. So if you're familiar with Pat McGrath, these ones right here are just so beautiful, and this is definitely very nice, cool tone kind of eyeshadow palette. But this right here, the special shades, is the ones that I'm just so excited for. I'm so excited for. So I can't wait to play with this eyeshadow palette. I am going to be using all of my Pat McGrath eyeshadow palettes as well as all of my Natasha Denona eyeshadow palettes. And then once I finish using all of them, because I have not used all of them, I'm going to start ranking them. So I can't wait to start doing like just makeup looks and ranking my eyeshadow palettes, because really I need to play with my stuff. Like, I need to stop buying after this haul and just really using my items. So I know the eyeshadow palette that is inside this box right here, oh my goodness, which is the Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette, is completely shattered. But it is the Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette, the one that has all the different colors, like the green ones and blue ones. I will put a picture somewhere over here just so you guys know exactly the one that I'm talking about, but I'm definitely not going to open it because I do not want to create a huge mess on my floor. Alright, so the next eyeshadow palette that I got was from Artist Couture. Everyone was talking about this eyeshadow palette, how great it was. It was just so amazing. The best neutral eyeshadow palette that there is. So I definitely wanted to get it and see what the fuss is all about. And let's see, hopefully it's okay. Okay, see, all the shades are great. It looks like the perfect everyday eyeshadow palette for sure. And the next item that I got is from Laura Mercier. This one was the Trio Blush, and I don't think that they have it anymore, but how gorgeous are these shades. Really, really, really nice, and I think it's going to be perfect during the springtime. All right, so the last product that I got from Sephora is this Milk Makeup Lipstick, and it is in the shade Skills. You can see. All right guys, so if you guys are familiar with Pat McGrath, she had a huge sale, so I got a couple of stuff from Pat McGrath. And the first thing that I got is this lip gloss. So here is one of the items that I got from Pat McGrath, and it is a lip gloss in the shade Whisper. Super beautiful, and I love Pat McGrath lip liners, lipsticks, lip glosses, eyeshadows, pretty much everything she's made I have fallen in love with. So this one is the shade in Contour. This is a lip liner, and it comes with a sharpener, which the boxes are also super, super nice. And I got another lip liner, and this one is in the shade Buff. But I think I already have this shade, so I'm just going to, yeah, I do have this shade already. So I'm just going to keep it because it's definitely one of the items that I use a lot. So I'm going to have that as a backup. I also got a lipstick, and I love the way that it's actually packaged. Super nice, very Pat McGrath. So this one is in the shade Venus and Fur. Alright, so the next thing that I got from Pat McGrath, and this were like such a big deal because this eyeshadow palette was actually on sale, and I got it on sale, 30% discount for this eyeshadow palette, and I cannot wait to use it. This one is the Mothership 6. The box is actually kind of broken, which is a bummer, but that's okay. So here is the eyeshadow palette. Super, super beautiful. Really nice colors, very, very different, but I am really excited to create some looks with this eyeshadow palette for sure. Again, with the 30% discount, I got this quad, and it's one of the newer quads that she has, and it is this one right here. I got it mostly because of this shade right here. How gorgeous is that? Super, super pretty. You can use it like for every day just by using these two colors right here, but these two colors kind of like ump it up. So I can't wait to try this eyeshadow palette for sure. So the next box is Beautylicious, and I ordered some items from Natasha Denona that she just came out with. So here are the 3 items that I ordered: 2 lip liners and a lipstick. The lipstick I got in Sammy. It was actually sold out for a very long time. It's at Sephora and also at her website, and I don't know why, but I like the color. Oh yes. Yes. Oh, and the smell from Natasha Denona's lipsticks is just so good. It smells like chocolate. Oh, so good. This is the color Sammy. Super beautiful. But the 2 new things that she just came out with are these lip liners right here, and I got mine in the shade Dana and Naya. So let's go ahead and swatch them. This is Dana and this is Naya. Really, really, really nice. All right guys, so I got some items from NARS because they also were having a sale, and I wanted to get the eyeshadow palette, of course. This one is their new eyeshadow palette, and it was on sale, and it was such a good sale. So this is the packaging. The packaging is just really nice, very NARS, definitely. And here are the shades. Super nice warm tone. So I also got this one right here, and it was their limited edition. I haven't had the bronzer and blush in their 2 famous colors in such a long time. So this one is Orgasm and this one is Laguna. So let's go ahead and finish up with the Charlotte Tilbury items that I got. I got this eyeshadow palette just because it is definitely a eyeshadow palette that I have been eyeing for such a long time, and it is limited edition. So before it went away, I decided to get it. This one is the Starry Eyes to Hypnotize eyeshadow palette, and here are the shades. They are just so pretty. Another limited edition is this one right here, and this one is the Pillowtalk Instant Eye eyeshadow palette. Once again, limited edition is their longer palette, and everybody has been raving about this eyeshadow palette. Another very easy on the go kind of eyeshadow palette. Super, super nice. Really easy shades to use for every single day. So the last 3 items are also the little quads, and these ones right here are just brand new limited editions that they have. It is from the Hollywood Flawless Eye Filter line, so I got all 3 of them. This one is the one that I'm actually more intrigued to use just because it does have a darker shade. And this one is called Diva Lights, and this one is called Eyes of Stars, Star Aurora. Yeah guys, so yeah, that's it for the haul. I know it's a lot of stuff, and I can't wait to play with all of them and create some looks for Instagram and here on YouTube for short videos as well. So yeah, expect a lot from me because I am definitely going to be coming through. I already have a set schedule to film, which are going to be Mondays and Thursdays. So I'm definitely going to have at least 2 videos to offer you guys every single week. So I'm really excited for that. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for your time, your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time.